Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, we're going to write a resignation letter using ChatGPT. So let's get right into it. Hit the subscribe button and the like button and leave a comment. I really am begging you because I don't just make these videos for nothing. I need likes. I live off likes. That's it. You guys don't know that, but I just live off likes. So let's see. Write me a cover letter for my job working as chief janitor at Bob's pole sliders. No, not cover letter. Resignation letter. I got sick of cleaning all the loads. Dear employer, I'm writing to inform you of my decision to resign from my position as chief janitor at Bob's Pole Sliders. While I've enjoyed my time working with the team, I've come to the realization that the nature of the job, specifically the heavy cleaning workload, is no longer a good fit for me. I'd like to express my gratitude and for the opportunity and experiences I've had while working there. I wish the company and my colleagues the best in the future. Please let me know what steps I need to take in order to ensure a smooth transition of my duties. It's great. Easy cover letter. Never have to think about cover letters again. Just use ChatGPT and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.